3 useful apps every student must have. Number 1. Small PDF. Go to Play Store. Search Small PDF. Download the app. Now open the app. Sign up using your Google account. This app have 100 plus tools and is best for student PDF and documents or presentation. Convert any file to PDF, download or merge the files, share the files in document form. Number 2. LinkedIn. If you want to remain updated about the ongoing hiring trends in different companies, LinkedIn will help you to a great extent. People who are looking for a job can follow the company pages on LinkedIn. By doing so, they will always be updated as and when the company posts any openings. Number 3. Calm meditation. Search the app on Play Store and download. Now open the app. The app's wide variety of guided meditations, sleep stories, and music may help you feel more relaxed. It creates unique audio content that strengthens mental fitness and tackles some of the biggest mental health challenges of today: stress, anxiety, insomnia, and depression.